girls say they got spooked. I think this one's a little hesitant.
Get that green a little closer.
This one right here is a little hesitant.
Well, that's the.
He backed up and
Excuse me.
That's Big Mama.
Melissa's big
That's the
one.
first calf, Julie, that was born here. Remember we pulled you guys over and said, there they come. Come on, girls. Oh, yes, there you go. Go on, girls.
come on, girl.
That's a good girl. Oh, I know.
Yeah, that's weird.
They're about to have it made. Stephen Boley. He's right there in front of you. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. All right.
First cattle cross success.
Awesome.